Nothing is technically wrong. You're functioning. You're surviving. Maybe even doing okay. And yet, something feels off. You can't explain it clearly, but there's a quiet emptiness. A feeling that life is moving, but you're not really inside it. Like you're watching your own life from the outside. This is the modern feeling of being lost. People think feeling lost means failure. It doesn't. It often appears when routine replaces meaning, when days blend together, when goals are replaced with obligations. You wake up and do what needs to be done, not what matters. And over time, that gap grows. Being lost doesn't mean you don't have direction. It means the direction you're moving in doesn't feel like yours anymore. Social media makes this worse. You see everyone doing something, achieving something, traveling somewhere. And even if you don't want their life, your brain still compares. Comparison creates pressure without clarity. So you keep going, keep performing, keep pretending everything is fine, because stopping feels scary. The truth is, feeling lost is often a signal, not a weakness. A signal that something needs attention, that comfort has replaced curiosity, that routine has replaced purpose. Most people ignore this feeling. They distract it away. They stay busy. They stay entertained. And the feeling gets quieter, but deeper. Finding direction doesn't happen through motivation. It happens through honesty, honest questions, honest pauses, honest reflection. Sometimes you don't need a new life. You just need to reconnect with the one you're already living. Feeling lost isn't the end. It's the beginning most people avoid.